Hello everyone, in today's video we are talking about Instagram video hack. This is the kind of ad that actually works for artists, and every artist should be knowing this. And if you are using this Instagram hack already, you are a sadiq, and if you are not using it, stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can easily blow up your songs on Facebook without paying any money, and actually you can also generate more money from this. This is called Instagram music money. If this is your first time of watching video on my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Without further ado, let's go for the main topic of the day. So the Instagram music hack is simple. The only thing you need to do is for you to understand how it works, and I'm going to be showing you in the left corner of the screen so you know what you are doing. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to mute some certain part of this video, so I'm not going to bring some flag to my videos, and I'm going to be showing you everything. So the Instagram music hack is simply the way that you can actually boost your song visibility with Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is for you to head over to your Instagram. When you are on Instagram, then the second thing you do is for you to go on your reels, and then when you go on your reels, you now look for videos that has millions views, like this video right here. You click on this video and click on remix. When you click on remix, it's going to pop out this aspect, so you just click on it and download this video. Once this video is downloaded to your device, you close up this device, and then you check the keyword this person used to post this video. So currently this person put hashtag 2024. So this video has over 2.3 million likes, and it has roughly 32 million views. That's a great view. So the secret here is for you to add your song to this video, and then also repurpose this video in your official artist page. With this page things, you can move your engagement to more visibility. With this strategy, you can bring more people to your account, and you can also make your account blow up and you gain more followers. As you can see, this is one of the accounts I'm using to do the same thing for myself. So it's called Instagram Money Glitch. So what you go ahead and do is go ahead and come to your reels, and you select it, and then you select the music that you want to add. You add it. So for the sake of this thing, I don't want to play the music, so it's not going to affect me in this video. So after that, you just add what you need. For me, I just add Amina's thing. You can go and check out this song, and you can also go and check this out. The song title is Amina. That is how you do it. It's called using money glitch. So after this, you go ahead and share. When you share this post, what is going to happen here is that people that already watched this movie, this short, are going to likely watch this short again, and at the same time they are watching it and they are hearing your sound. When they are hearing your sound, they get to know the sounds, and at the same time they will love to at least use the sound, even though they don't want to use it. Some of people, they will search the sound and then look for the sound on TikTok or any other streaming app and make sure they stream your song. So it is one of the music glitch. And secondly, if you post videos and you have 1 million views on the video, you know what that means now. You know what that means. So you don't need someone to even tell you how it goes. So it's just a way. If you check out this sound, you see that I have posted a lot on this sound. So that is just the Instagram money glitch. If you're an artist, maximize this and use it for yourself. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, I'll see you in my next video.